In this video, I'll show you how to use Chime's Pay Anyone service to send money to Cash App. Firstly, open the Chime app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay Anyone section for the app. You can manually enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Alternatively, you can grant Chime access to your contact list and select the recipient from there. Type in the amount you want to send and double-check the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, finalize the transaction by tapping on the Send button. The recipient will receive an email notifications about the payment. They can transfer the funds to their Cash App account. This method is ideal for sending money to someone else's Cash App account using Chime Balance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.